Fix your gut and glow, naturally, 7-day Ayurvedic food. Plan what you eat is important. Most people eat without awareness.
Oh.
They combine foods poorly, drink cold beverages alongside warm meals, eat quickly at their desks and then wonder why they feel sluggish, bloated, or fatigued. Ayurveda teaches that when you align your meals with your internal digestive fire, your Agni, even basic foods, become medicine. So today, let's explore 7 essential Ayurvedic food principles you can apply over just 7 days. These 8HAL teachings can recalibrate your digestion and bring back your natural balance. But before that, let's understand the doshas briefly. In Ayurveda, there are 3 dosha score energies that influence your body, mind, and emotions. Here's how they impact your digestion. Vata is airy and inconsistent. Those with dominant Vata may forget to eat or feel gassy and bloated. Warm, soft, grounding foods like soups, khichdi, steamed vegetables, and ghee help stabilize their digestive system. Pitta tends to be intense and overactive. Those with excess Pitta may suffer from acidity, heartburn, or loose motions. Cooling, mildly spiced meals like bottle gourd curry, mung dal, coconut water, and coriander are calming and balancing. Kapha is heavy and slow, which may cause sluggish digestion and weight gain. Light, warming, stimulating foods such as ginger tea, millet porridge, steamed greens, and spices like pepper or ajwain help stimulate metabolism. Eating in sync with your dosha means working with your body's needs, not against them. Now that you know your dosha, let's explore the food guidelines. First Ayurvedic principle for eating your food: avoid incompatible food pairings. Viruddha Ahar. Ayurveda strongly advises against certain food combinations that can disrupt digestion and cause toxin buildup, AMA. For example, don't follow hot soup with cold salad or ice cream. The temperature conflict weakens your digestive fire. Avoid mixing dairy with sour fruits like milk with oranges or curd with pineapple. Don't eat oily meals like biryani, followed by rich desserts such as gulab jamun. It overwhelms digestion. Sticking to compatible combinations supports smoother digestion and prevents toxin accumulation. Second Ayurvedic principle for eating your food: add healing spices and healthy fats. Ayurveda recommends including digestive spices and nourishing fats in every meal. Spices like cumin, ginger, ajwain, fennel, cardamom, cinnamon, and black pepper activate digestion and reduce bloating. Include ghee in dishes like dal, roti, and curries. Add cardamom or cinnamon to tea or milk. Mix jeera powder into buttermilk or sprinkle it over vegetables. Even starting your day with ginger-infused warm water helps kickstart your metabolism. Third Ayurvedic principle for eating your food: eat freshly cooked. Warm meals: fresh, warm, and recently prepared food is ideal. Leftovers, frozen, or reheated foods lose their prana life energy and are hard to digest. Warm meals energize your system and nourish your body deeply. Ayurveda also advises avoiding cold drinks, carbonated beverages, and alcohol. These disrupt digestion and gut balance. Eat meals that feel alive and vibrant, not stale or heavy. Fourth Ayurvedic principle for eating your food: eat at the right pace. Your eating speed matters. Don't gobble your food like a task, and don't drag it out endlessly either. Eat mindfully and calmly, and try to finish your meal while it's still warm. This allows your digestive fire to stay strong and your system to function efficiently without confusion. Fifth Ayurvedic principle for eating your food: align meals with digestive strength. Your digestive fire is strongest around noon when the sun is highest. This is the best time for your main meal. Dinner should be lighter and earlier, preferably before sunset, or at least 2 hours before bedtime. After eating, sit quietly or take a light stroll, instead of lying down or rushing into work. This practice supports digestion and reduces digestive strain. Sixth Ayurvedic principle for eating your food: include all 6 tastes. Ayurveda recommends that your meals contain all 6 tastes: sweet, sour, salty, bitter, pungent, and astringent. When these tastes are balanced, your body can digest better, absorb nutrients efficiently, and eliminate waste effectively. Each taste plays a role in maintaining balance. Seventh Ayurvedic principle for eating your food: stay well hydrated. Dehydration is often the root of digestive troubles. Aim for 8 to 10 glasses of water a day, but avoid drinking water during meals. Instead, Drink a glass of warm Jira water 30 minutes before and after your meal. This small habit supports digestive enzymes and prevents bloating. What happens after eating the Ayurvedic way for 7 days? So what can you expect after following these principles for just a week? First, your digestion will become smoother. Symptoms like acidity, gas, or heaviness will decrease. You'll feel lighter, more energetic, and focused. Your skin may glow, and your immunity will get a natural boost. Research shows that eating in line with Ayurvedic teachings can enhance immunity. Improved digestion also means better sleep and mental clarity. The beauty of Ayurveda is its simplicity. It doesn't ask you to count calories or follow strict charts. It only asks you to reconnect with your body's natural rhythm. Begin with these 7 steps. Let your inner intelligence guide you. In just 1 week, notice the shift in how you feel, because when you eat in harmony with nature, nature starts working in harmony with you. Conclusion: the way you eat can heal or harm. Every bite matters. Follow these timeless principles, not as a diet, but as a lifestyle shift. Let food become your medicine. Start today, and your body will thank you tomorrow.